Welcome everyone to JavaScript Programming Language course for beginners. This video is an introduction to JavaScript. You'll also see the source and reference for this video. I hope you'll be able to follow along this entire JavaScript course. Coming up next are the ESLR. As you watch this video, please bear in mind about our ESLRs. And these are right thought, right communication, right attitude, right conduct, and right lifestyle. This video is the second part of section 1.3 Workspace Configuration. And this focuses on identifying and installing several useful tools for web development. At the same time, a developer's workspace should feel like home, so we'll configure it right here. In the next slide, we will open the Sublime Text editor, so go ahead and run Sublime Text. Open Sublime Text editor to be able to edit from there. Okay, we are in the package control manual installation. So please open Google Stream. I have sent this to your Google Stream or Google Classroom stream, and open package control manual installation.txt. And you need to select all text and then copy it. And in the Sublime Text editor, go to View menu and then Show Console. So select that one. And this one here at the bottom will appear. We need to paste what we have copied there in our installation text. So paste here. And once you have pasted the copied text at the bottom, then we can press enter. The package control was installed. So we can hide that console again. And here we are opening the command palette. So we'll press the Command Shift P for Mac and Control Shift P for Windows. So type list in the command palette search bar, then we can press the escape key. So in here, I'm just showing you some list for plugins in Sublime Text. So let's open command palette again and type install. Then select package control, install package as what I have encircled here. And a list of packages or Sublime Text plugins will appear, and we'll just select a few important plugs in here. There's actually a lot of plugins that are included in this package, and we'll just have to select a few important ones. So we'll type base16, then choose plugin base16 color schemes. Now open the command palette again, then type install here, then select package control, install. Now this time we will install the Emmet plugin. So once you click that Emmet plugin there will be some description of that plugin here. You can review this information on what that plugin could do to our Sublime Text. And if we're done reviewing on that, you can click the close button. And we'll open the command palette again. We are going to install another plugin. And this time we will install JavaScript snippets. So go ahead, click on that, and it will just automatically install once clicked. So we have installed the snippets. Let's install another one. Open the command and type install, then select the package control. And this time we will install the Sublime linter. So click that one and it will be installed in Subtext. And another we'll install again. This time it's the sublimelinter-jshint. Once you install the one, there will be some description about the sublimelinter-jshint plugin. We can review about this description and some information about that plugin. Once you're done with that, just close it. And once again, we are going to install another. This time it will be the theme spacegray. So we can actually change the color theme of our Sublime text editor. In here, we'll just close the spacegray tab again. We have some basic information there. So in the next slide, I'll show you how to cycle between apps. So the shortcut key to cycle between apps or programs is Command Tab for Mac and Control Tab for Windows. So when you hit the Command Tab keys to open the application switcher in OX, continue to hold down Command key while pressing the Tab key to switch between active applications on the Mac instantly. The app which is highlighted when the keys are released will become the activated application. So that's the use of our shortcut key Command Tab, and we'll be able to save space in the long run. In the next section, we will learn about optimization. So for today's classwork, please log in to Google Classroom and we'll answer Module 2. Before I will end this video, I hope that you learned something about the useful tools for web development. Thank you for watching this video.